Oh, be lifted above all other gods. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today, I bring you this delicious plantain and egg pizza, or you can call it plantain frittata. So you know what? Let's go. So we begin by prepping all our ingredients, starting with our veggies. And please note, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? Now to our sausages. So now I'm gonna peel my ripe plantain, cut them, and then in a bowl I'll add some salt, pepper, and a little seasoning to taste, okay? So we stir and then we allow the seasoning to engulf the ripe plantain. So I have preheated my oil, so we are gonna fry this until it is golden brown. And here we are. Just look at how beautiful and delicious our ripe plantains came out. So now we are gonna crack 8 eggs into a bowl, and then we're gonna add some salt, seasoning, and pepper. That is optional, okay? So we're gonna stir this and set it aside. Now over here we are going to saute our veggies for it to be crunchy and release all those delicious nutrients and flavors, okay? You can choose to use any vegetable of your choice, family, but if you want it colorful like I had at mine, then you're gonna use those vegetables. So we add our sausages and then we saute. So we add some seasoning, just a little, and now our sauteed veggies is ready. So we're gonna transfer it into our beaten eggs. So we are gonna fry this on a low to medium heat. Family, please use a non-stick pan for this recipe, okay? So we cover it, and then 5 minutes into the egg, we are going to layer our fried plantain. And just look at that. So just cover it and allow it to cool gradually on a low to medium heat, okay? Just look at that. Please use a non-stick pot for this recipe, family. Now you can see our plantain pizza is ready. So I just sprinkle some spring onions and some cheese on it, okay? But note, this is totally optional, okay? And just look at that. Yes, so delicious, so beautiful, mouth-watering, finger-licking, healthy, and nutritious, family. Sometimes if you want to try some snack, just make this plantain and egg pizza or plantain frittata, and your family, they are gonna enjoy it, okay? I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So let's enjoy our plantain frittata or plantain and egg pizza. You know, plantain can be versatile, so sometimes make this snack and your family, they are gonna love it. Okay, thank you guys, and see ya in our next video whilst we enjoy this goodness on our plates. Just look at that. Family, you are invited. Okay, see ya. Bye bye.